Hi, I'm Gayatri Venkatrao from Musky Bushu. These mothers are with me for last 3 years. So they are very friendly with us. Actually, these puppies' mother has come to my house with pain, with labor pain, and delivered in the safe area in my home. So that shows the confidence that has in us. It's like my own children. Basically, Indian puppies don't fall sick very easily. They are very watchful and they are like friendly to the neighborhood people, but very watchful for the unknown people, whoever comes. I suggest to adopt Indian puppies so that they get a lifelong home, basically, and we need not purchase. They need only love, nothing else. No need of any costly food or any medicines or special care to be taken, hair spas, special treatments. So Indian puppies are always like best. It will also avoid the stray problem, okay, which is the most important problem which all the neighborhood are finding. The problem is basically because of they don't have food on time. So if the food is given to an animal on time and proper water or rest, definitely they will guard us. They will not bite us. Basically, from my childhood, I have passion towards dogs, and we were all brought up with our pets at our home.
Do you think the initiative we have taken of giving shelter to the pets or puppies will bring some change in the society?
Yeah, definitely it will bring the change because nowadays both the parents working and children living alone at home will definitely need some type of affection which only a pet can give. It's an unconditional love.
Have you observed any changes in your neighborhood in the past 6 months?
Yeah, during lockdown time I made it a point that I feed both my dogs outside. So the neighborhood earlier, like we who used to make fuss about giving food, they understood that I will not change, so they have to accept the change. I had 11 puppies for adoption. Right now I have 7, and I tried to give adoption through my known channels. I could not do it, so I contacted Mrs. Kumarani, Vice President, SPCA Krishnagiri District, who helped me in getting adoption for 4 puppies through their WhatsApp groups. Yeah, all my puppies are dewormed and vaccinated on time, and they are quite healthy. Yeah, with the support of my family, especially my husband and my daughter. Both of them also were very cooperative in helping me in taking care of the puppies. It's not that easy to take care of puppies. We all know that the cleaning aspect is very important, which they both support me. I'm trying to find a new home for these fellows so that they get good unconditional love and better place to live. Basically, they should live with us. They should not be caged. So that is my first and whatever it is, it's like my suggestion or advice to anybody who's taking for adoption. They should be free. They should live with us. They should be with us throughout the day. They should not be caged or chained.
Tell us what is so special about the indie puppies.
I feel basically indie puppies have good resistance power, and we need not spend too much money on it. It can come through an adoption, which will definitely help them to give a good home and love. As our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi informed, I suggest all of us to have at least one Indian puppy adopted. I would also like to inform that on 22nd November 2020, we have an adoption drive organized by SPCA Krishnagiri. I request all of you to participate in the same and give a home to these voiceless animals.